Hello, what's up? Here we are. Actually, this is the village, and usually in the village, you have to prepare ranch area. This is githeri here, and usually githeri is a staple food. This is only corn that is boiling, and then I love to add the beans, like, and this is the beans here. After you cook. You boil the corn, you have to add the beans, which is here that I'm going to add, guys. So we have to add, after it does boil, we have to add the beans, guys. This is what we do here at the village. Sometimes you may eat and eat and eat, you go and you get tired. At least you change the dairy with as a lunch, and also you can have it like for dinner, and then you mix it with anything that you want, guys. Drop a comment if you usually do this at your village, guys. Thank you for watching. Continue watching the video until the end, guys. So guys, this is how they have terminated, actually, because they're not that big. Others have not come up, like, guys, see here, they're not that big, because if they finish 7 days, they are going to be like big. So this is the germination here. Like, I think if they finish 7 days, they are going to be big like guys. So this is it, and the place is not, you cannot see them, guys, like, but then it's very lovely. It's the morning. I think the sun now has come out. Like, see, I planted the red beans and maize. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening outside there. I am at the village, my new village actually. You are wondering, as I have stayed here like 2 months and some days. At long last, soon I'm going home, guys. And here I'm washing the utensils. We don't have a lot, you know. We are 3, and usually 3 people, you have 3 plates. Like here, you see here, these are the 3 plates. 1, 2, 3, and this one is for the feaster, if the feaster comes. And we don't have expensive, like, these are all the plastic. We don't have things, like, guys. Drop a comment what you think about this video here. Talking live from the village, guys. If you are not subscribed, please go do it. I don't need to talk this. Just like the video and then comment. After commenting, put that notification bell for new videos. Just continue praying for me. Even myself, I'm getting bored at this village here. Like, see how we are. Actually, here we have not planted. We were going to plant like today, and people never showed up. So we are planning like tomorrow. We are planning like tomorrow. So this is how we do it. And see the house where we are living. We don't have permanent house, like, guys. Hey, if you are not used to any type of situation, you're gonna get bored. Otherwise, here, what gets me bored a lot is just paying for my phone, to charge my phone every day. Like 10 shillings. Shingumi kila siku. Now we are rinsing the utensils. Yeah, and remember here I don't have a rag. It's very, if you have a rag, it's where you are living permanently, guys. Whoa! There are dogs, visitors. We have visitors. We have visitors. Kazi ya hapa sasa zimekuja kukura. Remember, that's not our chicken. That's for the neighbor. As we don't have a chicken or a dog, guys. We don't have a chicken or a dog. These are for the neighbors here. We are here temporary. And this is our plastic. Also, we're putting tea. We don't have plastic here. Ooh, Jesus. Look at that. Oh, we are adding the githeri. This is the githeri here. Yawa. Sasa unakoroga. Today someone is cooking, not me. Na mbona uongei ukipika?
Sasa ninaongea na nini? Mbona sisi tangu mwana nifuata?